Hey everyone, this video is on how to reinstall your quick weave using the braid down and sew in method. This unit was previously put in on a cap glued down as a quick weave, and I took it down using the method that the video will be posted below. And when I took it down, it's basically a U-part wig. So I'm going to show you how I install this. I want to reinstall this unit with the side part, so I'm parting out my leave out here. Next, I use my U-part as a guide, so I'm using it to line it up to test my leave out section. The section was a little bit too far back of a part, so I had to readjust and go back in. Keep checking your methods and your lines to make sure you have enough leave out to cover your tracks. Now that I have the hair that I'm going to use for my parting section out of the way, I like to braid down the hair that I'm going to use to cover around my perimeter. It's easier to keep it separate from everything else. These next braids are going to be my anchor braids. The anchor braids are the braids that I use to sew my cap onto. If you have clips on your U-part wig, you can also use these braids to clip onto. It's the best way to secure your unit. So these are the front anchor braids. This is what I'm going to use to sew all of the front part of the U-part wig. And And don't forget about the back. I almost forgot about the back. You need a braid in the back to attach the back of the wig. So these next set of braids, I like to call my protective braids. I just do medium-sized braids straight to the back just to keep my hair protected and out of the way while it's under the cap. As I braid my protective braids, I also grab the anchor braids and blend those together with my protective braids. But be sure you're only grabbing your anchor braids. Don't grab your leave-out braids. When it comes to your edges, be sure around the perimeter you have a leave-out braid and an anchor braid before you complete all the braids of your hair. This is the final look of all the braids once you completed it. So you just take the last back braids, braid them up together, put it in a low flat bun, pin it or sew it however you see fit. Just make sure it's secured up and out the way. I'm measuring the U part with one last time before I begin to sew to make sure everything fits snug and comfortable the way I would like it to be. When sewing my U-part wig, I like to start at the U first. So this way I know that it fits along my part, my leave out will cover it, and then once I have that all secured, then I start working around the back. securing one side, I continue to go back and check the U-part wig to make sure it's going to fit and cover all areas of the sides and the back of my hair. So I just always just double check my work. This is my final step for sewing. I'm just pulling the U-part wig down, showing you my anchor braid in the back, and that's where I'm attaching the back of the U-part wig to the anchor braid. Now that I finished installing my U-part wig, I'm just taking down my leave out, blending it in with the U-part, and just going to do a quick run through with the flat iron to smooth everything in. I didn't do a complete style because I'm going to save that for another day because I was getting ready to go to a wedding later on in that week. this is the final product. Just a quick sew in with the U part. Straighten my hair a little bit to blend it. And like I said, I'll style it later, but this is how you do it. Once a glue and quick weave, now a U part wig. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again.